Salam, Drut, Gule Charuka.
Long time no see.
Yeah.
Aref Wafa, we are back.
Yeah. Mazne Wadi Padma Sanga Naita, Marchi, Yagindagaya, Aya Balustane, Jawarala, Nidargata, Balustane, Ajuiyi, Junze, Jadzoda, Dargata, Questionekana. Welcome, my friend, back. Long time me no see.
Long time no see.
Have one question about Balochstan. About Balochstan, have your friend, your views about Balochstan, asking why Netherlands and other also people is about Balochstan, no understanding inside Balochstan, have big issue, human rights issue, killing, and have freedom issue, unlegally Pakistan
Occupied.
and Iran occupied Balochstan. Thank you. Well,
So your question is, why don't people in the Netherlands don't understand it? Is that your question?
Yeah.
It's all because it's not on the news. Everything that's not on the news here, we don't see. We don't see. People here don't see it on the news about the issue in your country. What's a really big problem. And your people are dying and fighting for their freedom. They are illegally occupied by Iran and Pakistan. They're just terrorists attacking the freedom of their country. That's not good at all. People in the Netherlands and all in Europe need to know more about the situation there. Because it's a really big problem, right?
Really big problem. A violation on the UNO also, and inside Balochistan of bombardment, kill, missing my leader, Dr. Mahrang. Lady. Yeah.
You show me.
Yo, me show you.
Already. Yes.
Also missing.
Missing now.
Dr. Mahrang missing. Too much Baloch student missing. Political people kill Pakistani army. But I can't hear my Dutch friend asking whether you from which country. Me asking Balochistan. Balochistan? I don't know Balochistan. Balochistan.
You told me about Balochstan.
Yeah.
I said I met you right there. I think a couple months ago. I said, where you from? You said Balochstan. I said, are you joking with me? Are you joking with me, Balochistan? I never heard of that. And then we talked a little bit more, and he explained to me about the country. So I looked it up, and I thought, oh, I never knew it existed. And then he told me more about the situation there and what's happening there. So he really introduced me to his country and let me know what's happening there. He is the one who's spreading the news around here, around Harderwijk. He is the reporter. He is the newsman. If we don't have this man,
this is my work,
then we
my job.
don't know about this. So what can we do? What can we do to let it more shown to the world? What can we do?
But
what can we do? Go to the news agents and say,
go to
put it on the news. What can we do?
Go to news agency. News agency. Teacher is three. Me one lady. Teacher is three asking with me Dutch. Me teacher is three. In help with me student. Asking you from which country? Me asking I don't know Balochstan. Also journalist, Dutch journalist.
Don't know about it.
Balochstan.
Then you're not a real journalist. So he is the one who spread the news, and only what we can do is let you become more famous. And you have many views, and many people see your news. But only the Netherlands people need to see you more. Your country sees you. Your country and others sees you. But the Netherlands needs to know more about it. And Europe. Then we can change
and
something.
Europe.
Then we can change something. So spread the news, share it with your family, share it with your friends. Talk about it.
Sangeta she video shingu talan kene also my Dutch friend also European Union journalist also know about Balochstan now understand please see it my video.
Yeah.
Thank you my friend so much thank you
Thank you.
you asking about Balochstan
Yes,
about
for
Balochstan
sure, for
freedom thank you
Thank you.
well
For
ashta veli
freedom fighters.
freedom yeah freedom fighter yeah thank you well dui ashta veli